5 powerful herbs for weight loss. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Do you want to lose some weight using natural herbs? Take a look at this list of herbs for weight loss that we've compiled. You are welcome. Being overweight comes with a lot of physical challenges and health risks such as stroke, high blood pressure, cardiac diseases, diabetes, and the most dreaded cancer. While we are all up for body positivity, we together with health practitioners strongly recommend you keep a healthy weight for your age and height. This will save you from a whole lot of complications and even depression. Fortunately, there are easy ways to start shedding some pounds. Of course, exercising is not everything. Unlike pills, you don't need to worry about side effects. Check out these 5 powerful herbs for weight loss that are sure to shed the weight and keep it off for good. As always, you get a bonus tip at the end of the video, so stay glued. Also, do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips like these. Let's get started. 1. Ginger. Ginger is the first on our list for many reasons. For starters, it has been confirmed to increase metabolism and digestion, thus making it a good option for burning some calories. You will also appreciate the fact that ginger helps in decreasing appetite so you don't feel hungry all the time. That's not all, evidence shows that ginger also reduces fat absorption. You definitely need to try this out. 2. Cinnamon. Overweight people tend to have more appetite than usual. Cinnamon possesses the ability to drastically reduce this appetite to ensure you don't consume more calories than your body requires. It does this by slowing down the rate at which carbohydrate is broken down in the body. In addition to that, cinnamon prevents storage of fats by burning them immediately they are produced. It also plays a vital role in lowering insulin levels after a meal. You can enjoy cinnamon in coffee, smoothies, and tea. 3. Turmeric. Thanks to its health benefits, it is no surprise that turmeric ranks among the top herbs for weight loss. It contains a powerful fat-burning content called curcumin. This aids everything from increased metabolism to disease prevention. Yes, it fights against diseases associated with obesity such as heart diseases, diabetes, infections, and cancer. Even better, you don't necessarily need to consume so much. A little turmeric can keep you fit and healthy. 4. Black pepper. This spicy pepper is known for breaking down fat cells efficiently. You can also count on black pepper to increase nutrients absorption and prevent the formation of new fat cells, which ultimately prevents weight gain and promotes weight loss. The good news is, black pepper is very handy and it is tasty for meals too. Taste and see. 5. Dandelion. Dandelion is a great fat loss herb too. It promotes the elimination of fatty acids from the body. It does so by enhancing fat metabolism to ensure fat is expelled from the body as quickly as possible. Besides expelling fat, you will find dandelions useful in reducing cholesterol. Bonus tip. Rosemary. Packed full of capsaicin acid and some other active ingredients like flavonoids and polyphenols, this herb has been confirmed to reduce blood glucose levels and block the enzyme causing type 2 diabetes. These properties also fight to stop the formation of fat and increase fat metabolism. An additional benefit of this herb for weight loss is that it is cheap and easy to get. So, no excuse. It is great to sweat it out in the gym. But as we all know, your meal counts too. A good way to reach your goal sooner is to equip your diet with these herbs for weight loss. Just a little effort may be all you need to achieve your dream weight. For more health tips, endeavor to check out our previous article on amazing healthy foods to help boost your metabolism. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Stay healthy.